Duterte wants this Israeli warship delivered ASAP to Philippines. President Rodrigo Duterte has reportedly said he wants the Saar S-72 warship, offered by Israel shipyards, be delivered as soon as possible for the Philippine Navy. As a disclaimer, he said that the variant being offered to the Philippine Navy is not the corvette version, but is to fulfill a requirement for multi-purpose patrol vessels. The Post added that Mr. Duterte is scheduled this week to make a follow-up of all the Israeli offers presented to him last August, wherein he verbally approved for implementation and would like to see them delivered as soon as possible. According to the official blog site, former Philippine Navy reservist officer. Currently, he takes part in other defense sites and in security consultancy and publication.